How to verify your Binance account. First of all, simply accessing the identity verification on Binance. You can access the identity verification process on Binance by navigating to account, then tap on the identification or by clicking verify or get verified from the homepage banners. Then log into your Binance account, mouse over the profile icon and click account, then go to the identification. Alternatively, you can click on complete now on the pop-up window as well. Then all you have to do is click on the Get Verified option available there. Choose your country of residence and make sure it matches your ID documents as well. Then enter your personal information and then click on the Continue option available there. Make sure all information matches your ID documents as changes cannot be made once confirmed. Then you can take a photo with your device's camera or verify using the Binance app. Then choose an option and click Continue option available there. Then again click Continue to proceed. After that, follow the instructions to take photos of your documents and ensure the full ID documents are clearly visible in the photos. Then follow the instructions to take a video of yourself. Make sure that you do not wear hats, glasses or use filters, and make sure sufficient lighting are available. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.